I'm going to show you how to go from this raw flat file to this final edited image using Capture One masks. Plus, stick with me because I'm going to show you a trick that I recently learned that will save you a significant amount of time while you're editing with masks. I'm going to just jump in here and try and keep this video short. I really like using Capture One for a lot of reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is its ability for masking. I really like its capabilities here, and it saves me a lot of time in my workflow. As you can see here with this image, all I have to do is go to the layers section and create a subject mask to get me going. And now we have our starting point for our mask. Next, I just go in and clean up the mask. This part is really important so you don't have any weird artifacts later due to your editing. There you go. Now you have a mask of your subject. Additionally, you can create a mask using C1's AI Mask tool. This works great. As you can see here, it gets you a long way to having a mask for what you want and just needs a little cleanup with it. This saves so much time compared to the days of doing this manually in Photoshop. Well, let's save even more time. I can't believe that I just figured this out, but here goes. Once you have your mask created, you can make a copy and then invert it. This blew my mind when I started thinking about it and figured it out. This saves so much time instead of creating an additional background mask or second AI mask, let alone doing the mask manually. This is also not unique to just C1. Many of the photo editors like Lightroom, etc., allow you to do this as well. This little trick saves me a ton of time. Now you can go in, edit your whole image for exposure, white balance, etc. Additionally, you can quickly edit your subject or foreground of an image and then edit your background by moving to the different adjustment layers. All you need to do now is a few small adjustments and voila, your image is how you want it. Now you know just how easy it is to create masks that target specific parts of your images and how to make your edits quicker and more professional looking. What are your favorite tricks for editing faster? Let me hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see future photography tips, and until next time, enjoy your photography journey.